Samsung Tab S11 versus S11 Ultra. I bought both, I returned one, so let me go through why and what comes in the box with each of them. So first up we have the Samsung Tab S11, the normal size. All the applications work great, no problems at all, no issues downloading stuff, and it's a really handy, nice size, fits in bags super easily. I'm using mine just for my business, so for me, I just want something that I can quickly whip out, send an email, put it away. If I want to watch something, you know, need some information or something, I can just quickly get this out and do it. The pencil, I'm going to be honest, I don't use this. You might if you have a business that requires, I don't know, some type of drawing, or if you're having it more for just your own personal use, you might enjoy the pencil. Personally, I don't need that. Also, because I bought it on the business account, I got a discount. I believe the discount is about 10 to 15% off all of the Samsung products on the business account. And you also qualify for like freebies on there. So the freebie that came with this S11 was the little case with the keyboard on. Now, I would prefer if they had a little mouse with this as well, because I think that would be so handy. So this little keyboard works by just clipping in here. So on the back, it just clips in like that. And then you have the keyboard, which you can use, and it stands up on this little thing here. And you can just send an email or whatever, which is really handy. So once you're kind of magnetically plugged in, you're just good to go. And it's very easy. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't used that a lot. I more just use this little case here because you couldn't travel with that one. You'd have to have this and that. The S11 Ultra I purchased to start with, and this one I returned. So I'll show you how big a difference there is in size. So here you can see the Ultra is a lot bigger. In fact, it's as big as my laptop. So this is just too big for me. If I want to go somewhere and send a quick email, I can't because it's absolutely huge. It's like hulking a laptop around. If I wanted to bring my laptop with me, I wouldn't be bothering with having the pad. I have the pad because I don't want to bring the laptop. So the only good thing about the Ultra was it came with more freebies. So you got the buds, the Samsung buds, I can't remember what they're called. You got them for free when you bought this. But if you don't want a laptop and you're just looking for something a bit slimmer and a bit lighter, this might work for you. But again, that isn't a mouse. So I think functionality wise, if you're using it for your business and you want it to be super transportable, this is the one you're going to want to go for instead of this one. Another thing I would say is if you are still unsure, Samsung are very good with just refunding you if you buy the wrong one, you don't like it. For example, I got this one, realised it was massive and wasn't practical for what I wanted. So they basically just refunded me in, I think it was 2 days. It was really easy. And then I bought this one. So there was absolutely no hassle at all. I've only had this one for about a month and a half. So when I've had it a bit longer, I can do a full proper review on how it's going, but so far so good. Any questions about the functionality of the tablets? Probably not gonna know the answer, but I just thought I'd do a size comparison and my thoughts just so no one else makes the same mistake and has a load of hassle with refunding like I did.